This video is to help you with page 195 and 196 to finish your packet, which is due tomorrow. Step 1, connect A to B. Step 2, move A 4 to the right to get C. Do the same to B. C becomes 1, -1, and D becomes 5, 5. Looking at these lines, we are going to think they're parallel. We want to know the relationship. Okay, so if we find the slope of AB and then the slope of CD, if they're equal, they're parallel. If they're opposite reciprocals, they're perpendicular. If they're neither, then they're just intersecting. So you would show that math. Remember, you can pause at any time. And then you'll say the line segments are parallel because they have the same slope. On the next page here, it says, what are the, where will E be if you rotate it 90 degrees? So, I'm going to give you the point because if you don't have a protractor at home, it could be hard. But if you left A, don't move A, but you move B, and you move it 90 degrees, it will end up at 3, -5. So go ahead and put 3, -5 for E. Now it wants to know, is there a relationship between AB and AE? So you'll use points A, B, and E. So here's A, here's B, and E is 3, -5. So you'll do AE, -5 minus -1 over 3 minus -3. And then you'll do B and A, or AB, sorry, and decide if those are parallel or perpendicular. You should get opposite reciprocals, which would mean perpendicular. Okay, when we have our 4 quadrants, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, the line that goes between quadrant 1 and 3 is y equals x. So if I wanted to graph on my coordinate plane y equals -x, that would be a line that goes through quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. So that would be this line here. So add that to your graph. Okay, reflect AE to make FG. Well, how many away is AE from that yellow line? 1, 2, diagonal, 1, 2 diagonal. This is 1 diagonal away, so G will be 1 diagonal away. And then that would make up your point FG, so make sure you plot a FG. Now we want to know if they're parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So you will compare the slope of AE to the slope of FG. Okay, make sure you show your math and your work and decide what those are. And then make sure you write your sentence here. These are due tomorrow. And then we will turn these in during our 20-minute class before lunch. And then we will clean our lockers out. Have a good night.